Hey guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Sharena and today I'm doing a review on the HTVRONT Auto Heat Press, so let's get into it. Okay guys, I just want to say that this review is strictly my opinion. I really like and enjoy this heat press. I've been working with it for a while and I think that you would like and enjoy it too. It's way more easy to handle than your standard heat press and it's extremely safe, guys. For instance, the heat press has a pull-out drawer design, and this helps you from getting burnt and hovering under the 15-inch by 15-inch thermal heating plate. This is great for your larger projects. I mean, a 15-inch by 15-inch, you can't beat that, and it only takes 6 minutes for your heating plate to reach its maximum heat of 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat press machine is very easy and simple to use, pretty much like your standard heat press machine. Of course, it comes with your power button. It comes with a temperature and time button, in which both can be adjusted with your plus and minus button. You have a button that comes with 4 preset modes, a button where you can adjust 2 modes to your personal likings, an auto mode, and a manual up and down mode button. Okay, we have our heat press set for 310 for 20 seconds because we're going to be using the HTVRONT Galaxy HTV vinyl today. But I do want to make you aware that there is slight flickering on the heat press, but it's not actually flickering on the heat press. It's my camera, guys. I don't know why my camera is doing this, but I can assure you that it is not the heat press. The heat press is working perfectly as it should be. So of course, before we just jump right in and make a shirt with the heat press, we have to know how to use it. This is your power button, self-explanatory, and this is your manual mode button to use the machine manually. Your power button is to turn your machine on and off, but after 10 minutes of not using your machine, it will turn itself off. So you don't have to worry about forgetting about your machine being on and burning your house down. Your manual mode button, if you mash this button, it will drop your heat plate. If you mash the button again, it will lift your heat plate. That's manual mode. This button is for your temperature. You would mash this button to adjust your temp. The button down below it is for your time. You would mash this button to adjust your time. This button comes with 4 preset temperatures and times. It comes with 4 preset modes for HTVRONT's material. So it comes already preset with a temperature and time for 4 different HTVRONT's materials. This button is so that you can adjust your heat press to a temperature and a time of your own. So you can adjust 2 different temperatures and 2 different times of your own. As you can see, the heat press has dropped in temperature, so the manual mode button with the R is blinking red. Once the heat press gets back up to temperature that we initially set it for, it will turn green. So again, this middle button is to adjust 2 temperatures of your own. This last button with this A is your automatic mode button. This puts the heat press in autopilot, meaning it will drive itself, okay? It will do all the work for you in auto mode. Okay, so our button is back green. So if we hit the manual mode button, the plate will drop. If we hit it again, the plate will rise. That's manual mode. In auto mode, it will completely drive itself. To adjust your temperature, you will simply hit the temperature button and use the plus and minus buttons to either increase or decrease your temperature. It does rise and declines by 5s. You will hold the temperature button to go from Fahrenheit to Celsius, and then go back from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And it will be the same thing for your time. You will mash the time button and use the plus and minus buttons to increase and decrease your time settings. So now our heat press is at 303. We needed to get back to 310 so that we can make our shirt. Again, as you can see, the button is blinking red because it's not up to temperature yet. Now that we got our heat press up to 310, we're ready to make our shirt. And I went and dug up this pink shirt and I printed out a Nike logo. Disclaimer, it's not a real Nike shirt, guys. But you always want to preheat, pre-press your shirt before you put your image on your shirt. So what I'm going to do is use the manual mode. So you will hit the button, your plate will drop. You will hit the button again and your plate will rise. Now I'm going to mash the automatic button so that we can use the automatic feature. So what you want to do is align your shirt, push it all the way back until it clicks, and it will automatically drop the plate. Again, after your time runs out, the plate will rise as seen. Simple, easy. Now we're ready to place our image on our shirt. I'm going to be using HTVRONT's Galaxy HTV today. I thought it would look cute on this pink shirt. And all I'm going to do is center the image into the middle of our shirt, and then I'm going to cover it with the Teflon sheet. The heat press comes with the Teflon sheet in the package, so you don't have to buy an additional Teflon sheet. And then we're going to slide it in auto mode, and as you can see, the plate has dropped. So we're going to wait 20 seconds, and after 20 seconds, the plate should rise on its own. Again, I used the Galaxy HTV from HTVRONT. It was very easy to weave. It was very easy to cut. And I'm going to peel it warm. So it was very easy to peel, as you can see. I'm going to give the shirt another press for 20 seconds without the carrier sheet, just to ensure that the image is on the shirt and that it will withstand washes. Our shirt is now done and ready to wear. Remember guys, when using any HTV, you want to make sure that you wait 24 hours before washing your shirts. And here's the Galaxy HTV up close. It came out nice. I like the color on this pink shirt. Again, all in all, with this vinyl, I would give the vinyl a 10 out of 10 because it was just so easy to weave and easy to peel. And here's a closer view of our shirt. Again, this is not a real Nike shirt, guys. It's just a shirt for me that I made. But all in all, I will have to give the heat press a 9 out of 10. I have to take off because I make a lot of hoodies and a lot of sweatshirts, and there's not a big enough gap for me to make a sweatshirt or hoodie on this heat press. The gap should be bigger back there. Unless you could turn the sweatshirt to the side, but I'm not really sure how that would work. But all in all, the heat press is convenient, it's quality, it's safe. I recommend it. I'm going to drop a link down in my description so that you can go check it out yourself. And that is it for the video, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you can, go follow some of my other social media platforms. I hope I gave you a good sense or a good idea of how great the heat press is. Again, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.